Morning, everyone. Today I just wanted to do a quick share of little Michaels haul that I got yesterday. I don't usually do haul videos, but I got this cool deal at Michaels yesterday, just by accident when I was there. And so yeah, I wanted to do a little share of that. I actually just went in to get some paper, and I'll show you what I've got here. So I got this big pad here. It's called Winter Hymnal. I know, I guess it's maybe more wintry papers, but there's some soft colors in it too. So you can see the color palette on the top corner here. There, it's got everything from taupe to gold and pretty colors in between. And I'll just do a quick little flip through over here. And this was one of the hot buys that they get in Michaels. They call it a hot buy with an offer. And so the offer that I got with this, look at these pretty papers. Yeah, I can't wait to use this in some designs. So the offer I got with that was this, you buy the big paper pad of the hot buy for $12 and you get a box of 80 cards and envelopes. And look at these amazing colors here. Everything from bright greens to hot pink, some yellows, all the way to soft peach there. And it comes with the white cards. And yeah, and then I thought that was a great deal. So yeah, if you have, if you're near Michaels, Canada, I live in Canada, so I don't know if the same deal is on in the States, but that's a good deal. So they had a variety of different envelopes that you could choose from. So I went with the solid colors because I thought that way, I could embellish them and use them in, maybe swaps or different things. So that was my good deal. And then I also picked up this little pad. These ones weren't on sale, but I used the 40% off coupon. And this is a more summery one, and it's got pink and mint green and gold. It's really pretty color combinations. I don't know if I can just do a little flip through here and see if you can see some of them. Yeah, so I thought that was really cute. I'm going to use those in some on my envelope punch board and make some little boxes or envelopes and fun things. And then I picked up this, I guess they call it the Happy Planner stickers package, and it was on for 40% off. And they got some really cute little sayings in here, like trust the timing of your life, love this life, never give up. There's a whole bunch of different ones in here. Let's see, hello weekend, love this, just all kinds of cute sayings, joy that you could use, in your crafting. So I picked that up. And then the last thing I got was the dot glue runners. I actually got that at a different store, but it was on the same outing, so that was a good deal. I got 4 of those in there. So yeah, that was my little haul and my good deal. So I wanted to share that with you, and I'll be gonna head out for a bike ride in a few minutes here, and then when I come back I'll probably do another video today. So hope you all have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye now.